Have you ever tried plugging in a lav mic to your DJI wireless or your Rode wireless mic and that's because if you're using a third-party lav mic, more than likely it's a TRRS, which basically means it has 3 rings. TRRS has 3 rings, typically seen on something like gaming headphones or anything that has headphones plus a mic output. But the problem is these mic systems don't read that. You might be able to plug in a TRRS lav mic in here and it works for a little bit, but you'll notice if you turn it a certain way, it's just going to go out or it starts crackling. It's just all issues that you don't want happening when you're on set shooting. Obviously, the easiest fix here is to use the Rode lav mic or the new DJI lav mics that are a TRS lav mic. But if you already have third-party TRRS mics, all you have to do is get an adapter. There's a lot of different options on Amazon. I picked up the Rode TRRS to TRS adapter, and basically what this does is you feed in your 3-pin and it comes out as a 2-pin. So again, I'm going to plug in this TRRS lav that has 3 stripes. Works. Now you grab the adapter, and now we're working. Check, check, 1, 2. There we go. That's literally all you have to do. Real quick, let's try on the original DJI mics, and I've had some success with this without the adapter. See, it's kind of working fine, but if I move, plug it back in, grab our adapter, plug it in, and now we're working. We're moving around, and I'm looking down here at the audio levels just to confirm. Moving this around, no issues, no issues. Very simple solve, that's all you need to do. I picked these up for like $15 on Amazon. Again, there's multiple options, but I prefer the dongle just because it's a little safer, like when you're throwing this in someone's pocket. It has less of a chance of breaking or bending because it's a right angle. This, in my opinion, is probably an easier and cheaper solve than having to replace all of your lav mics. That's it for today's video. I tried to get this out as fast as possible because I know everyone on YouTube loves a fast solve video. If this video did help you at all, consider subscribing to the channel, say hello in the comments, and of course, give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you all in the next one. Later.